Assalamualaikum viewers and welcome back to my channel Biodiverse Hub. Today in the playlist of Neuroanatomy, we will be continuing the same series about the ventricles of the brain. So in today's video, we will be studying about the third ventricle of the brain. As far the location is concerned, it is a slit-like median cleft between the two thalami. Developmentally, it represents the cavity of the diencephalon. The cavity is usually lined by the ependyma. After that, we will be studying the communications. So, anterosuperiorly, it communicates with the lateral ventricle through the foramen of Monro, also known as the interventricular foramen, and posterior-inferiorly, it communicates with the fourth ventricle through the cerebral aqueduct of Sylvius. So, these were the two important communication of third ventricle with the lateral ventricle and the fourth ventricle. After that, we will be studying about the boundaries of the third ventricle. So the anterior wall, it is usually formed from above to downward by lamina terminalis, anterior commissure, and anterior columns of the fornix. The posterior wall, it is formed from above to downward by the pineal body, the posterior commissure, and the cerebral aqueduct. After that, the roof is formed by the ependymal lining of the telacordia of the third ventricle. Anteroposteriorly, the roof extends from the interventricular foramen to the habenular commissure. Then we have the floor, which is formed by the hypothalamic structures that are number one, optic chiasma. After that, we have the tuber cinereum. Then we have the infundibulum, the mammillary body, the posterior perforated substance, and the tegmentum of the midbrain. So these were the all structure that was forming the floor of the third ventricle of the brain. After that, we have the lateral wall, and that is formed by the medial surface of the thalamus in the posterior superior part, the hypothalamus in the anterior inferior part, and the hypothalamic sulcus that separate the thalamus from the hypothalamus. This hypothalamic sulcus, it extends from the interventricular foramen to the cerebral aqueduct. So this was about the boundaries of the third ventricle. Now we have certain recesses as well that are the extension of this cavity, and these are as follow. We have the suprapineal recess, we have the pineal recess, we have the optic recess, and we have the infundibular recess. So this was about the recesses. We have shown all these communication and the boundaries and the recesses in the diagram that is drawn and with the different colors, so you can take help from that, and you can also make these diagrams in your papers, and it can help you to achieve the good marks as well. So I hope this video will be helpful for you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates. Thank you.